Hi everyone, welcome to the course of digital marketing. Today we are talking about digital marketing and have you ever wondered what it is and why it's important in today's world? Let me explain. Digital marketing is all about promoting products, services, or brand using the internet and digital platforms. Unlike traditional marketing, where you see ads on TV or billboards, digital marketing connects business with their audience online. On websites, social media, email, and even search engine like Google. For example, when you see ads on Facebook, get promotional emails, or watch influencers reviewing a product on Instagram, that's a digital marketing in action. The main goal to reach the right audience at the right time in right place, and most of the time that place is online. Digital marketing is a powerful because almost everyone is on the internet these days. It helps business grow faster, connect with the customers directly, and even track their results in real time. It's cost effective, measurable, and gives small business to have a chance to compete with big brands. So that's the quick look of digital marketing. If you want to learn more tips and tricks, hit the like button and follow my channel for more informative content. So I will see you in the next video.